The more po na marami tayong binabasa na financial statement, annual reports ng ating pinag-i-investan, the more po na tumataas po ang ating financial intelligence or yung financial vision po natin. We all know that repetition is how we really learn and retain what we learn. Ito po yung sabi ni Robert Kiyosaki. If you are serious about becoming a more successful investor, an investor who makes more money with less and less risk, I recommend training your brain to analyze financial statement. Analyzing financial statement is basic to the world's best fundamental investors such as Warren Buffett. Kaya ang laki po ng pasasalamat ko sa kooperatiba where I worked before because I learned how to read financial statement. At paulit-ulit po kasi yan na binabasa namin, ina-analyze namin before po namin i-report ang financial statement ng branch na hinahawakan po namin noon. Nung una, ang hirap pong intindihin ang financial statement, pero kapag palagi mo palang tinitignan, ina-analyze, nagiging madali na lang po sa atin. At the more po na nagkakaroon tayo ng mga bagong opportunity na pwede nating pag-investan. So for me, when I resigned at cooperatives, natutunan ko na rin gumawa ng aking personal financial statement. Ang laki po kasi ng tulong nito personally. Kaya try mo din, baka mag-improve po ang inyong finances.